First of all, thank you for the opportunity to God and the church. Uh, I'm here to testify about my parents' visa. By the grace of God, my parents' visa has been approved. Uh, uh, Yesterday there was an interview at 10 o'clock. I was little bit tensed, and they were too tensed more than me because like they couldn't able to find the destination. Uh, Actually, the interview was 10, but they were still out at 10:15. They were nearby, but they were nearby by the building, but they couldn't find the destination. Finally, there is the destination, and they allowed to move in. And I was praying for the God, like it shall be done, God. I was declaring myself, Lord, you have already fought the battle for us and gave the victory. So the victory is in our hands. So when they turn went, the officer asked only just 2 to 3 questions. I was praying for God, like God, ఏదన్నా కానీ జస్ట్ 2 to 3 సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగాలి. యా, వాళ్ళు మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు పెద్ద కష్టపడవద్దు దాని గురించి కూడా. సో ఆఫీసర్ ఆస్ జస్ట్ 2 to 3 questions, దట్ టు హూ ఈస్ స్టేయింగ్ ఇన్ యూఎస్ అండ్ లైక్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్ ఆర్ యూ ట్రావెలింగ్ అండ్ one more thing was how many sons do you have, that's it, and the visa is approved. Yeah. And while my mom was asking to me, like saying to me, I was so happy, and she was so excited too. And simply I was saying, ఇప్పటి నుంచి మీరు కూడా అమెరికన్సే అని నేను అన్నా మమ్మీతోని. షీ వాజ్ సో హ్యాపీ, అవును అవును అని చెప్పుకుంటా. యా, షీ సో ఎక్సైటెడ్ దట్ షీ కెన్ కమ్ టు యుఎస్ నౌ అని. యా, ఐఎమ్ సో థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు గాడ్, అండ్ హీ వాజ్ సో ఫెయిత్ఫుల్ ఆన్ టు మీ. ప్రైజ్ బీ టు గాడ్ alone. Thank you for this opportunity.